Today, I will show you how you can create a form like this along with a save button. When you click to save, the data from this sheet automatically gets saved to another sheet. It will even make this form blank for you to enter new data. This could be helpful when you want to assign some data entry job to your junior and want to ensure that there are no changes made by him or her deliberately or accidentally due to lack of knowledge in the existing data. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. Let us start to create our form by giving it a title first, New Customer Form, and then we will give labels for our data points. For the example which I am demonstrating has 4 data points to capture, that is name, email ID, mobile number and location. You can give number of data points depending upon your need. Now let us give borders to beautify our form. Finally, we need to create a button. To do this, first we will go to Insert Ribbon, Illustrations, Shapes, and then select Rectangle Rounded Corners. We will double click it and give it a label. I will use Save as the label for my button here. I even want to give an icon of floppy before the label of the button. To do this, type less than sign and space before the button label. Then select the less than sign and change the font to Wingdings. This will change it to floppy icon. To fine tune the button, we will resize and reposition it. And we are done with our form. Let us also rename the sheet as form for our understanding. Now let us create a new sheet to store the data from our form and rename it as data. Next, we will copy the labels from the form and paste spatial as transpose in our data sheet. Let us make our header bold and we are ready with our data sheet. Now let us hide our data sheet and go to our form and fill some data in it. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to record the steps in order to save our data from our form sheet to our data sheet. We can do this by recording our steps with macro. To do this, first we need to go to our developer ribbon and click on Record Macro button and give it a name. In case you don't see the developer ribbon, I have given steps to activate it in the description box below. Now we will copy the data from our form and right click on our sheet name and unhide the data sheet. On the cell A2, we will paste spatial our data as transpose. Then we will insert one row above our data and remove the bold formatting from the new row cells. Next, we will right click on the sheet name and hide the data sheet and delete the data from our form sheet and make cell next to our first data point label as active. And then stop recording macro from developer's ribbon. As a final step, we'll assign this macro to our save button. For this, right click on the save button and click on assign macro. Select the macro name and click OK. And we are done. Now let us do some data entry. Okay, now we have quite a few data. Now let us unhide our data sheet and check. So we have successfully saved all our data from our form to our data sheet. In case you have any query on this, feel free to ask in the comments below and I will try to reply them. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.